Hare Krishna, I am Megnath coming with a new topic Ekadashi and its glories. First, we know what is Ekadashi. Ekadashi is the 11th day of both Paksha, that is Shukla and Krishna Paksha. It is also known as Hari Vasara, as Madhav Tithi means day to near Lord Hari. So, what is the actual meaning of Ekadashi? To staying close to Madhav through all your 11 senses by total absorption in service is called Ekadashi Upvas. There are different natures of fasting. Like if you can doing Nirjala Ekadashi, you can break Ekadashi by sipping water on Dwadashi. If you are having juices, then having solid fruits. If you are having fruits, then break it by having grains on Dwadashi at the right parent time. The Ayurveda said, puts your digestive system into complete fast once or twice in a month. According to Yoga Sutras and modern medical science, a full fast is not very good for the health. You can keep seeking lukewarm water time to time and you're still fasting. An interesting fact that water is considered as fasting as not fasting given in the scriptures. This dilemma is also faced by Maharaj Ambarish. There is a story about this with Maharaj Ambarish and Rishi Durvasa. As Maharaj Ambarish always used to having complete fast, and he knows that Muni Durvasa is coming to his palace and there is time for Ekadashi Paran. So his dilemma is that if he breaks at the right Paran time, then he committing Vaishnava Aparadh because he is having something before his guest is getting fed. The second point is that if he waits for Durvasa Muni to return, then he crossing over the Paran time, then he Ekadashi Vrat is not counted. So after consulting with the Vaishnavas and great Brahmins, he breaks Ekadashi with water. Vaishnavas and the great Brahmins consulted him that by breaking or having water to break the Ekadashi Upvas, you can break or not break. It means if you are having water, it means you are breaking your Ekadashi Upvas at the same time, and at the same time you are not breaking your Ekadashi Upvas. From the spiritual point of view, Ekadashi means you have to be a fast till sunrise to next day sunrise. From the spiritual point of view, when the body might fast, but through chanting we feast the soul by Hare Krishna mantra. Hare Krishna mantra is a 16 word mantra, that is Solakshari mantra, that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So be fast on Ekadashi, chanting Hare Krishna mantra, and be happy. Thank you. Hare Krishna.